Okay, welcome back. What I'm continuing with is electrotechnical technology level 2, and we're doing unit 4 outcome 3A. Now bear in mind again that these unit numbers may have changed, but the technology and the knowledge remains the same. Okay, wiring systems in conduit. Okay. Okay. Good. Now, outcome 3A, identify the different types of electrical installations and systems. Okay. Work that we've done previously. Let me just take you into it so you can see it. Okay. Right. No need for me to go over that. You can read it for yourselves. Okay. Outcomes from this session. At the end of this session, you should be able to understand how to install conduit and trunking correctly, state the advantages and disadvantages of conduit and trunking, state where conduit and trunking would most likely be used. Okay. I'll come back, pull it back a bit. Maybe I need to make sure that we get this on full view. Okay. Now, steel conduit. Conduit and trunking can be considered delivery systems. They take cable to where it is needed. Solid drawn conduit, okay. Steam welded conduit made from rolled sheets of steel, okay. That would be your weld. We normally call this, refer to this type of conduit as black enamel conduit. Basically, because it's painted black after, okay. Okay, and that goes without any offense to anyone or any individual or anything. Okay. Steel conduit can be solid drawn or heavy gauge welded. The solid drawn type has no seam. Black enamel conduit is most common, but it can rust in damp conditions. So you need to use galvanized in regards to damp conditions. Okay. Stainless steel can be got and used, but it is very expensive. So bear that in mind when you're trying to select the conduit that you wish to use. Okay. Light gauge conduit only used where you don't need heavy mechanical protection of your cables. Okay. But normally where normal mechanical protection is required, you'll need heavy gauge conduit. Okay. Now, advantages and disadvantages of conduit types. Steel, mechanically strong, expensive to install. PVC, mechanically strong, doesn't introduce on an earth potential, doesn't like extremes in temperature. Okay. Flexible. Now, flexible conduit is a type of steel, type of conduit where you would use it mainly for motors, and it is normally only used for very short lengths indeed. Okay, maybe up to a meter would be a maximum length that you would use flexible conduit for. Okay. That is a meter or less, of course. Fixing steel conduit. Steel conduit can be fixed using a wide variety of saddles. So these are different types of saddles that allow you to fix your steel conduit. Okay. Now this is forming or shaping steel conduit. Okay. And let me just go in a little bit, make sure that we can get it into frame and view. Okay. This is your bending vise, okay, or bending machine if you want to call it the machine, okay, but it's the bending vise, okay. Swan neck, bubble set, okay. You have a bubble set, but you can have a different type as well, which is can't remember the name of it, but it's a different shape too, similar to the bubble set, but it looks neater than the bubble set. Okay, it gives it a little bit of a class, let's just say. Now bending steel conduit, bend the conduit to the length, okay, and here you have end of thread to back of the bend, okay. So remember here you're going to have a coupling piece here, which is probably going to be used to extend your conduit, okay. Or you may put on an inspection box at this point, okay. Right, let's just go down a little bit and bring that up. Okay. I'll just make sure that you can see the detail in the text and you can follow and read it for yourself as to how it is utilized, okay? Okay. I'm just going a little bit to make sure we get it fully into frame. Now here are your various pieces of conduit connections, paraphernalia. I will just call it paraphernalia, okay, for now. Okay, you got your coupling piece, you got your male bush, you have your female bush, you have your adapter, 20mm internal thread adapter, okay, you have your internal thread, okay. These are allowing you to reduce in size, inspection elbow, inspection T, okay, so forth. Threaded extension ring. This you may need this to put on your box to bring it forward and be giving you access to the cables inside, okay. Right. Outlet box, male bush. This just shows you here how you are, how it will be connected. Male bush, your coupling, okay. Here we have a non-inspection elbow, but it is always best put on an inspection elbow at all times, okay? It makes the job easily, especially if you have to do repairs where you then have to pull in new cables. That inspection elbow allows you then to be able to get access to the cable work and makes your pulling in a bit more easier and safer. It minimizes damage to the cable, okay? terminations, okay? And we're talking about conduit termination. Let me just go in a bit. That's right. Okay, I'll open that. You can see that. Okay. Now I'm not going to run this through for you. You should be able to see this for yourself and to read it through for yourselves. Okay. Basically. Okay. So, couple of these are used when joining two lengths of conduit. Running coupler used when two. Now here you have a running coupler. Now this is actually very peaceful piece of work, because what you need to do then is to run the coupling along the couple to make a connection that is in an awkward position at times. So it allows you to make connection with another piece of conduit quite easily. Okay. Okay. These here would just be your terminating flanges here, basically. But you can see the female bush lock nut, okay, and that locks it up. What that does, it prevents vibration from making it come loose. Okay, over time, vibration will tend to bring these female bushes loose, causing you to lose any earth continuity that you have. So in these cases here, you will always run an earth in with your conduit. Always run an earth in with your conduit. And this just shows you the various gauges of plastic conduit. Okay, don't need to go into that. Some of you will be familiar with this by now. So, and again, similar thing here. Okay, plastic conduit again. Okay, installing PVC. PVC conduit is not good in extreme temperatures, so you have to be careful where you install it, and it's not good in extreme coldness either. So again, you have to be careful where you install it. Okay, so basically this is just telling you. Now remember, you need to confirm with the IE regulations any changes in regards to spacing and its use, okay, at all times. Again, check the IEE regulations for its use in regards to plastic conduit. Okay, I hope you found this useful. Okay, have a good day and bye for now. Bye bye.